some tricks to viewing your drawing to decide if you're close, if you're accurate, if it's looking like your model. I've got a couple tricks I do. One is to turn your drawing upside down. And it's still early on, but even at this stage, if there's something really inaccurate, if one eye seems much higher than the other, if something just looks unnatural to my eye upside down, there's a good chance it needs to be adjusted. So we can turn it upside down. We can also see the reverse image in a mirror, and that can be very helpful too. It's just a fresh way of looking at something, kind of having a chance to gain a new perspective. Can give us a chance to see those things that we almost grow accustomed to, mistakes, things that we become comfortable with and miss until we see it with a fresh eye. So just some things to have in your toolbox. Okay. See where the hair falls on the side of her chin. Her neck is not visible. There will not be lines on either side of her neck. Her hair is actually going to cover that up. And making sure we do that in a way that's accurate to the original photo will help create this believability. Just like in life, hair does cover shoulders, runs down the back. It's sort of a grade school idea that we have, you know, head, shoulders, head, neck, shoulders. It's going to be a little more complicated than that. And this is where observation is your friend. Okay. So it's looking a little bit more accurate. As far as detail, at this stage, I'm not going to do a whole lot, but I will work out the structure of her face on the right side. You have light hitting her face over here, and then there's a break. And this is where her face turns away from the light, and you have a breaking point along her cheekbone. Coming down to about her mouth, you have a little cast shadow on the side of the nose where the light can't reach. And it falls down and follows the structure of her chin. And these are important breaking points to keep in mind because they will help us understand the three-dimensionality of our subject. And we have a breaking point along the forehead. And one of the last things I'm going to do is draw on her eyes. And this is not the place where we're going to worry about every last detail in the eyes. This is just getting a placement, getting a sense of where she's looking. So when we go back in and further develop the eyes, we'll already have some accuracy and we'll be ready to go.